Hi, we are your silly scientists. I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Rachel. Today we are going to make rain clouds and talk about weather.
What you need is shaving cream, food coloring, water, a cup, or a jar.
Before we do this experiment, let's talk about weather.
There are 7 most common types of clouds. Rachel, what kind of cloud causes rain?
There are 2 types of clouds that cause rain. First is the nimbostratus. Those are low clouds that are often gray and dark. They cause continuous rain, snow, or sleet, but they never cause lightning or thunder. The next cloud is a cumulonimbus. These clouds grow vertical. These clouds are associated with thunderstorms and heavy precipitation.
Rain is caused by oceans, lakes, and rivers. The water turns into vapor that disappears into the air. The vapor rises, cools, and changes into tiny droplets that get way too heavy and large for the clouds and then fall as rain.
When there is enough warm air from the sun, the water evaporates and rises into the air. The water vapors cools down and becomes droplets. These droplets form clouds.
And then it rains.
So, let's do the experiment.
First, take 3/4 a cup of water
And pour it in. Put the shaving cream on top. Make sure it looks like a cloud.
Yes.
Why is yours coming out of it? Okay.
Yeah. Do not eat, even though it looks like whipped cream.
Yum. You'll want to put about 8 to 10 drops of food coloring on top of the shaving cream. So let's do there. Splat in the middle. Okay.
And then wait.
Ooh, it came down a little. Ooh, looky. See?
Yes.
It's coming down. It's raining colors. Let's see if I can get some. This one. Dun-dun.
You may need to add more drops.
If it doesn't
Oh, it
work.
starts here?
Yay!
Like I'm gonna do right now.
It's raining. It's fun.
Why do I say
It's young, and it's never raining. Cool. Like how it floats.
So, if you look, there's a difference in the way we did our clouds. So Rachel did her clouds like regular rain clouds. Kaylee did not do her clouds like that. So I have a feeling it's a little bit trickier to get the raindrops coming down. See, slowly it is here, but so when you do it, you're going to want to do it more like how Rachel did her rain clouds with the shaving cream.
So, the food coloring represents the rain. As the rain saturates the cloud, it gets heavy. So heavy that it can no longer hold the dye.
It rains down into the jar just like real rain falls through the air.
Rachel, all this dye reminds me of a rainbow. Do you know how rainbows form in the sky?
Let's think. Oh, that was a great question, Kay. Rainbows form because the sunlight is really a mirror of all the colors of the rainbow. So when it rains with the sun out, the water droplets separate the sunlight, so you see a rainbow, not just sunlight.
Rainbows always appear in the section of the sky that is directly opposite of the sun. Rachel, do you remember when we went for a hike and the sunlight caused a rainbow in the midst of the waterfall?
Yes, you can really make a rainbow anytime you have water and sun. Remember when we were washing Mom's car? We made a rainbow with the hose water. Why don't you try making a rainbow next time the sun's out?
That's it for this week on Silly Scientist. We will see you next week. Bye.